Welcome to a journey through time and art, where the elegance of ancient sculptures meets the serene beauty of nature. Nestled in enchanting gardens, where short, manicured grass weaves between quaint little paths, these sculptures stand as silent sentinels of history. As we stroll through these lush pathways, the gentle murmur of a grand fountain accompanies us, its waters dancing in the sunlight. Around us, the bushes are sculpted with precision, framing the breathtaking sculptures that capture the essence of a bygone era. Each statue, carved with exquisite detail, tells a story of the past, a tribute to the finest figures of ancient times. These figures, often representing young women, embody the classical ideals of beauty and grace. Roman sculptures in gardens serve as a bridge to the past, offering a glimpse into the life and times of the empire. They remind us of a culture that immensely valued beauty and aesthetics. These sculptures also represent the Roman Empire's social and political structures, highlighting the roles and statuses of different figures within the society. As we leave this tranquil oasis, we carry with us a deeper appreciation of the Roman Empire's cultural richness, a legacy immortalized in stone and cherished in the notes of history.